Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, where I explore the microcosmos of sea monkeys and other instant pets. In today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing and review of this mini submersible USB aquarium heater. This is a relatively new product that has only appeared online in the past 6 months. I discovered it on Amazon for $20 US, which I think is really reasonably priced, so I'll leave a link in the description for anyone who's interested in picking one up. The reason I'm so excited to try this product out today is because of its small size and the fact that it has a built-in thermostat. This is great for anybody like me who's part of the nano aquarium hobby. I keep sea monkeys as pets, and finding a heater small enough to fit in their tanks has been an impossible task until now, so I'm really crossing my fingers that this product works well. This heater should be adequate for tanks from anything as small as this, all the way up to a maximum of something this size, which is around 4 litres or 1 gallon. The packaging on the box is mostly written in Chinese, so I don't really understand what's written on here, other than that it's 5 volts, USB powered, and has a temperature setting range of 18 to 34 degrees Celsius, which is perfect for my needs. Inside the box we have an instruction manual, which once again appears to all be in Chinese, so I'll leave a rough English translation of the manual in the description of this video for your reference. The only other things in here are the heater itself, and a suction cup to attach it to the side of your tank, which is a nice addition. The build quality feels adequate, but not great, basically what you'd expect for a product in this price range. We have a USB to power it at one end. There's no wall plug included in this box, so you'll have to source one of those for yourself. In the middle is the temperature control, which has a single button used for adjustment, and on the other end is the heater. It's only 5 centimeters or 2 inches long, which is easily the smallest aquarium heater with a thermostat that I've ever seen. I'm always on the search for these small heaters, and this is the smallest one that I found in the past, which as you can see is considerably longer. It also doesn't fit inside a standard sea monkey ocean zoo tank, and there's no temperature control. It's permanently set to 25 degrees. Once plugged into the wall, you simply tap the one and only button on the controller to set the temperature you want. It's divided by 0.5 degree intervals that gives you very fine control, which is something I appreciate. Sea monkeys live best around 26 degrees Celsius, which is 79 Fahrenheit, so that's where I'll set mine to today. After your temperature is set, the controller will display the current temperature that the thermostat is reading, which as you can see is currently about 21 degrees Celsius. I'll now pop it into my Sea Monkey Ocean Zoo tank to see how long it takes to heat up to my 26 degree setting. The red light on the controller indicates that the heater is currently on and is heating up the tank. Once it achieves the set temperature of 26 degrees, it will turn off and the light will then switch over to a green colour, indicating that the desired temperature has been met. It only took a little over 6 minutes to increase this small tank by 5 degrees, which is good, but also not really surprising considering how tiny the tank is. After this I did another test in the 4 litre container, because it's the maximum suggested tank size to use. After leaving it in here for 30 minutes, the temperature did increase, but only a small amount, and the ambient temperature in this room was pretty warm too, so the heater was definitely struggling to do its job. I'd say tanks that are smaller than 4 litres are probably ideal for this mini heater, and it did perform really well with the standard sea monkey tanks. In the past I've always recommended sea monkey keepers to use under tank heat mats with a thermostat probe like this. These also do a great job at keeping small tanks at a consistent temperature, and you can heat multiple tanks at once. But what I really love about them is that you can easily pick up your tank and move it around, which is why they're still my favourite heating option. Now while these thermostat controlled heat pads are fantastic, they are about double the price of this mini aquarium heater. So for those on a budget, the USB heater will definitely be the better option of the two. I'd also say that if you have your aquarium set up somewhere and you don't plan on moving it around, that using the aquarium heater will be the more efficient heating option. I should also note that when using this heater, it's important that you use a wall plug with adequate power output, because if it's too weak, the controller will just flash 3/8 and the heater won't function at all. So I'm using this 5 volt plug and it does the job well. After using this for a few hours, I'm happy with how it works, and for $20 this product has definitely exceeded my expectations. I've not found anything else on the market right now that has a thermostat function combined with this nice compact size, so that's what really makes this heater valuable to those of us who keep small aquariums. Of course I can't speak for the longevity of this product quite yet, as I've only just started using it, but the 4-star Amazon review rating is promising. If I do have any issues with it in the future, I'll make sure to pin a comment at the top of this video detailing what problem I had and how long after using it the issue arose. For anyone who'd like to buy one of these heaters, I've included an Amazon affiliate link in the description of this video, as well as the heat pads I also mentioned. Any purchases you make through this link give me a tiny commission, which does really help out the channel, and will allow me to continue making content like this for you guys. I really appreciate all of the support this little community has shown me over the last few months, so thanks a lot for that. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.